In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Capital One Platinum credit card. If you're watching this, chances are you've just received your brand new credit card. But here's the thing, that card is pretty much useless until you activate it. Before we dive into its activation methods, let's make sure you have everything you need. First off, you'll obviously need your physical credit card itself. Additionally, you might also need some personal identification details for verification, like your social security number, date of birth, or your bank account details. While not always required specifically for activation, it's a good idea to have these details handy. Step 1. You'll need to head over to CapitalOne.com/activate. If you already have a Capital One online account, sign in using your credentials. If not, you'll need to enroll in online banking by providing your bank account number, social security or taxpayer identification number, and your date of birth. Once signed in, follow the prompts to activate your card, which will include entering your card number and the 3-digit security code from the back of the card. Well, that's how you activate your Capital One Platinum credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.